It seems like AI is everywhere you turn these days, right? Especially on YouTube.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of our listeners are really intrigued by the idea of passive income
Oh, yeah.
and making money online, especially through YouTube.
Absolutely.
And one thing we keep hearing about is AI being the key
Right.
to unlocking that $10,000 a month dream.
I mean, it's definitely a hot topic.
Right. So we're diving deep today into our video you sent us
Okay.
called Smart Money AI.
Interesting.
And we're going to figure out how AI is actually
Okay.
changing YouTube and the strategies people are using to make money.
I liked it.
Sounds good.
Sounds great.
All right.
Let's do it.
So one of the things that really jumped out at me in this Smart Money AI video was this concept of faceless channels.
Oh, yeah.
Faceless channels are.
Can you talk a little bit about what those are?
Yeah. So basically, it's
Yeah.
exactly what it sounds like. It's a YouTube channel where the creator.
Okay. Doesn't ever show their face. The idea is to leverage AI
Wow.
to create the entire channel, from animations to stock footage, even AI-generated voiceovers.
That's fascinating.
Yeah.
So you're saying someone could potentially build a successful YouTube channel
Yep.
without ever
Without
having to be on camera.
Exactly. And that's a huge draw for people who,
Oh.
want to dip their toes into content creation or maybe just value efficiency. They don't want to be in the spotlight.
Yeah, it's kind of like
Yeah.
the ultimate shortcut.
Yeah, it is.
Right.
It's a big shortcut.
Okay, so
Yeah.
we know that people are using AI to create the content,
Yeah.
but what about the actual making money part?
Right.
What strategies are they using to monetize?
So the video actually suggests that the traditional YouTube money-making methods are still relevant,
Okay.
but they're being amplified by AI.
Interesting.
So things like ad revenue sponsorships, affiliate marketing,
Got it.
all these things are still in play.
So it's not
But now they're
it's not like they've invented a whole new
right.
way to make money on YouTube. It's just
They've just found a new way to kind of
Yeah.
supercharge those existing methods.
Okay, so let's say
Mm-hmm.
hypothetically I have a faceless channel and I'm using AI
Okay.
to create videos about, I don't know,
Okay.
budget-friendly kitchen gadgets.
All right. I like it.
How would affiliate marketing
Mm-hmm.
work in that scenario?
Okay, so let's say your AI generates a video
Okay.
showcasing all the best budget-friendly kitchen gadgets,
Right.
complete with an AI voiceover,
Yeah.
breaking down the pros and cons of each gadget.
Mm-hmm.
And then in the video description, you include your affiliate links
Right.
to buy those gadgets on Amazon or other online retailers.
Okay.
And every time someone watches your video,
Uh-huh.
clicks your link, and makes a purchase,
Yeah.
you earn a commission.
Wow.
And you've done all that without ever having to film or edit yourself.
That's pretty cool.
It is pretty cool.
Are there other
Yeah.
strategies that people are using for
Absolutely.
AI content monetization?
So the source really emphasizes the use of AI
Oh.
to generate high-quality content quickly.
Okay.
And that can be huge for traditional ad revenue because the more videos you have,
Yeah.
the more potential for views and ad impressions.
Right. More eyeballs, more money.
Exactly. And AI can just pump out that content.
So AI is changing the game
Yeah.
by not just
It's changing
the content.
It's changing how much.
but it's changing the content.
Yeah.
The volume of content that
It's like a fire hose.
that we're seeing. And so while the Smart Money AI video doesn't really go deep
Right.
into the specific tools,
Yeah.
it does seem to imply that
Uh-huh.
anybody could potentially
It seems very accessible.
start doing this right.
That's the vibe I get.
Okay.
Yeah, it's all about democratizing.
So it's not just
Yeah.
this concept. It's actually
Actionable.
actionable.
Yeah.
There are tools out there.
It's like they're saying, hey, here's the blueprint. Go do it.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is interesting.
So if we take a step back
Yeah.
and look at everything we've learned,
Mm-hmm.
it seems like the big takeaway here
The big takeaway.
is that AI is dramatically
Oh, yeah.
and rapidly
Aye.
changing the YouTube landscape,
Absolutely.
both in terms of content creation
Yeah.
and monetization.
And the pace of change is only increasing.
And this isn't some far off
Right.
thing that's going to happen.
No, it's happening now.
This is happening.
It's unfolding in real time.
now.
Yeah, and it really makes you wonder
Yeah.
what's next.
What happens next?
Like, as AI gets even more sophisticated,
Right.
are we going to see even more creative
Yeah.
monetization strategies emerge?
What's the future?
Will there be a shift in
It's
the
just-
types of content that dominate YouTube? It's fascinating to think about
Wild.
how creators are going to adapt and innovate.
Well, I think that's a great place to leave it.
Yeah. Yeah, good deep
I
dive.
enjoyed it. Thanks for joining me.
Yeah, thanks for having me.
And we'll see everybody next time
See ya.
for another deep dive.
Bye.
Bye.